Sometimes ElevenLabs works perfectly, and other times you might run into voice generation problems like failed audio, robotic narration, loading errors, or missing downloads. The good news is, most of these issues are actually pretty easy to fix. So in this guide, I'll show you how to fix common ElevenLabs voice generation errors step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Weak or interrupted connections can stop audio generation or cause loading problems. Sometimes the easiest fix is simply refreshing the ElevenLabs page or reopening the dashboard. If your script is extremely long, try splitting it into smaller sections. So large blocks of text can sometimes cause generation failures or slower processing. One common issue comes from unusual symbols, broken formatting, or unsupported characters inside the script. If the AI voice sounds robotic or unstable, try adjusting settings like stability, clarity, and style. Extreme settings can sometimes reduce voice quality. And that's your full guide on how to fix ElevenLabs voice generation errors. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of how to troubleshoot common problems and keep your AI voice projects running smoothly.